everyone. Welcome to the Kalwas channel. This is your host, Dr. Haider Shah. I hope you will be enjoying our different videos. So today we will be talking about a very interesting topic, that is statement of purpose for PhD. How to write the statement of purpose. What are the different things which you need to consider properly. So today we are going to tell you the 5 things which you need to consider for your statement of purpose for PhD. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to tell that the statement of purpose, which normally we call SOP, usually is around 500 to 750 words only. So be careful while choosing your words. So the first tip which we will give you is the clearly articulate your goals and interest area, because then you have to clarify the things in a proper way, your inclination towards that program, why you want to study at that particular graduate school. So you need to tell about your goals and interests and objectives, etc. So the second tip is the describe your past research experience and motivation, what you have been doing for the past 2-3 years, whether you have done your master's along with the thesis, or what you have been doing, how many publications you have, what is your source of motivation for that purpose, whether you have an academic background or not, and how much you are equipped in that for that journey. So you need to tell your academic and professional preparation and how it is related to your objectives as well. So that was the second tip which you need to consider properly. Okay, the third tip is the show your passion for the topic. Whatever the topic you have selected, show your passion for that. Do extensive literature for that so that you know the nitty-gritty of that topic properly. So your focus on that research project, and you must explain why that program and how your goals related to your field. So it means that you must have a clear vision for that, and you must have a aligned goal with that. So you need to prepare yourself for that purpose. Okay. The fourth tip is what is your career plan upon completion of program? What you will be doing after doing your PhD? It means that whether you will pursue your academic career, whether you will pursue as a researcher, what do you have in your mind? Why do you need PhD for that? So you need to have a clear vision in that purpose. So what is your career plan? Okay, and the fifth very much important step is how would you write up your write-up. Actually, that is the most important thing. How clearly, how logically and effectively you will write. Before, after writing it in a first draft, you must prepare it and you must send it for a proofreading so that it can be proofread properly. So I hope these 5 things you will consider while writing your purpose statement, which is very much important, because based on these kind of statement, you will be able to secure your PhD admission. I hope this video will help you, and wish you good luck for your PhD. Moreover, thank you very much for watching our videos, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because many more videos are on the way. And if you have any comment for us, do write in comment section, or you can email us on info@kalwas.com. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.